Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vipin. So we are going to discuss how to recommend in SSB in first attempt. And this is a very important topic for the NDA aspirant who has just qualified the NDA exam in yesterday means 13 June 30 June 2021. So we are going to discuss some tricks and tips, some basic points on which we should focus, and then only we will be able to qualify our SSB in first attempt. So first firstly I'll tell you what is SSB. What SSB stands for? SSB stands for Service Selection Board. And what they want from you means what SSB wants from you is very important. So SSB wants you to behave in a manner like officers behave, and they want you to be a problem solver. They want you to be a situation creator as well, and situation solver also. So this is the behavior which SSB wants from a candidate. If you are having this behavior, then your chances to qualify NDA increases. So okay, what is the requirement means what is the requirement of words in giving as answer to any question? What is the requirement of words in giving answer of any questions means your answer must be in limited words, means come to the point directly. Don't roll the question and answer again and again. Point out the main point from that uh, answer, and try to give the answer in points. Okay, how to respond to any situation created in front of you means I have already told you that you must be a problem solver. They will create so many problems in front of you while you're SSB, and you have to solve all the problems. You have to They will check how you respond to each and every problem which they create in front of you. So this is also very important. And yes, this point is very important. The role of English speaking skills in sorry, this is SSB. This is miss. Okay, so this is mistyped here. No problem, I will. This is NDA. Just a minute, I am writing here. This is no, this is SSB here. Okay, so the role of English speaking skills in SSB means your communication skills must be up to the mark. And your this yes, this point is also very important. The personality of the candidate giving interview means your personality, your mental and physical strength is also very important while giving your SSB. So we are going to discuss today's stage 1. Stage 1 stands for the screening test. The In screening test there are three tests conducted: PPDT and OIR, and the third one is narration test. So you should know all these. This is the first part of this video. I'll upload the second part of this video very soon. So PPT stand for picture prescription and description test. Means they will show you a picture that will be blurred, and some content will be shown in that picture, and that will also be blurred, and you have to take out those you have to take out the you have to take out a story from that picture, and then you have to make a story, and describe the story in front of the interviewer, and then a complete description test will also be conducted on the same day, on the first day. I am telling this information regarding first day, means stage first screening test. So first thing, while writing your story is narrating your story is, you should focus upon. So viewer here, need of the physiologist, what he wants from your story, what he wants from your story, that is very important. Means you have to make him attentive towards your story, and this can only be done by thinking out of the box, the and narrating the story out of the box. Means देखिए, physiologist is not interested in you, he is interested in your story and wordings you use in your story. He is not interested in you, he wants your story. He will decide your character after listening your story. Means the wordings you use, your wordings will give your character sketch. So you try to use some good words. The collection of the words must be up to the mark. Just a minute. He or she will decide your character by your wordings in the story narrated. Means the same I have just told you. He will. Okay, so I have told you about the PPT completely. The so next we are going to discuss OIR and narration. Okay, so what is that full form of OIR? Officer Intelligence Test. So for officer intelligence test, you should go prepared from your home only. Means there are the question of reasonings in this OIR. So you must go prepare with OIR from your home only. So we are here going to discuss narration. The same narration means the narration skill must be up to the marks. You should go prepared, because if you prepare from your home, then your narration skills, your communication skills must be up to the mark, and your then only you can narrate anything which they'll show you. The test which will be given, you can easily solve that test, and your mentality will be decided by your wordings used in the narration. So try to use some good words in that. The more practice you do, the more chances you gain to qualify stage 1. Means narration, in narration and OIR, the more practice you do, the more chances you gain to qualify at stage 1 for SSB. The use of English words, the collection of words must be very good. Yes, your English speaking skills and your English collection words, collection of English words must be out of the box. Then only the interviewer will make attention towards your story, and you will be given good marks in your PPT and narration, as well as OIR. Means you will be able to qualify your stage 1, and try to perform something out of the box. Means I'm giving, means I'm showing you one story, and I am going to narrate it from my side, and you will also narrate it, and comment me in the box, or send me this in my email. I'll provide you the link of my email ID in the description box. So this is the story, and this is the picture which I am going to narrate. So I am going to narrate that this this boy is Ram, and he has just qualified his NDA, and now he had also recommended in SSB, and now he is with his family. He's very happy with his family, and he had gone for a picnic, and he is serving food to his grandfather, and her his grandfather, and they are all very happy and enjoying their life. This Ram is of 5, sorry, Sorry, this Ram is of 25 years old, and he had given around three attempts, but he had not qualified a single of them. But in a fourth attempt, he has qualified NDA as well, and he recommended for SSB. So this is my story. If you have also narrated any story, then please send me via my email. I am going to provide that email in description box. And for more videos like NDA and SSB, please subscribe my channel. I am going to provide you each and every information about NDA and SSB. Till I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.